truth is truth. If you have any skepticism about it at all, if you're sitting there and you're saying, yeah, but you cannot say that until you're as good as we are. You're fooling yourself if you're sitting there with the skepticism of, yeah, but, and you haven't executed on this for 18 months or more. You don't know what you're talking about, okay? So, remove that hesitation from your mind if your goal is to grow. Social media is going to be your number one asset in 10 years. No question. Would anybody doubt that at all?
No.
Okay, rewind that. 5 years. And I'll tell you now, it's actually now. I went all in a year ago. All marketing. We were doing banner ads and trade journals, going to all the trade shows. We were working with relationships. I sat on the board of the ICRC for 2 years. I mean, we did every single thing and every single check block. I mean, carpet bombing, emailing, direct mail marketing, cold calling, everything, literally everything. And in the last year and a half, I took that entire budget, 90% social media, 10% trade shows. My lead acquisition is up 200%. Our sales are up 50% artificially now because we just rebuilt the team. They were, prior to the team rebuild, February was a 200% sales run. This is real, and it is now, and it is the most effective, highest ROI available. So, free your mind of any hesitation you have if your goal is to grow. This is your best mechanism.